Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna try and play wild. Sadly though, that it's sideways. This right here is my type of party. We're just getting started. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that is loud. Music down. Okay, this is so loud. Okay, so I'm done. And meat means a military ship. Sorry, typo. When you come back, send me diagram of what vid is cage. Okay. This right here is my type of party. Oh, okay, no, it's not a big deal here. No, I'm gonna. But that's better than this place. Just gonna flip in 3, 2, 1. Woo! So hi guys, Shiny Galaxy Amber here. So yes, I'm playing Animal Jam Play Wild on my mobile phone, and I'm just going to. This is like in the outro, but I'm just saying I'm going to shout out to some people. I'm going to shout out to Alicia Lady for being my favorite YouTuber, and I'm going to be shouting out to MLP Winterswolf for being my best friend. And without all being said, I'm just gonna say a few words. Okay, so if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to be a Shiny Galaxy Amber, and comment down below if you want some more videos. So without being said, I don't know. Let's get on with the video. I know what I should do for this episode video. I don't even know what to call it. What am I saying? I don't know. Look at my living room, so chic. Where should I go? Where should I go? Where should I go? Where should I go? Yummy, I don't know how to go. I guess I'll just get a Jamar Township. Near the fountain. So yeah, I'm recording. Trip with me, I'm recording. I'm just gonna say this over and over again so then people will shake with me either. And it's true that I am actually recording. So, yep. Let's see. Trade with me, I'm recording. So many foxes around here. I'm just gonna say until I get a request. Okay. Trade with me, I'm recording. We'll play a game. Okay. So this is good enough for me anyway, because I'm pretty sure the quality of this video is gonna be so bad. Ooh, the Arctic. Okay. Oh. Ah. Oh, Phantom. That puts all the pins. Strike! Yay! Good for you. Oh my god. This game is hard, guys. Oh my god, what is this? No. No, stop. Shelby, buddy. See. We put a ladybug line. Ladybug line. No way, dude. No flipping way. So how was the holidays? School holidays. Okay. Oh, big fluffy lion. Big fluffy big lion. Someone here. Big fluffy lion. I want to go to her den. I want to see her den. I want to see her den. I really want to see her den. She has, oh my god, so much stuff in her den. Oh my god, look at these. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. I'm really welcome here. As you can see, what's up? It's Chair. I hate pink, but I like this pink tree because it's like, I love cherry blossom trees. A chair, a bookshelf, tiger thingy, and another one. Yeah. More things. This place is so strange. I'm gonna get mine in now. Okay, I'm eating. Foxes and dogs are in the same animal family. Yeah. I'm gonna go on the water-powered rocket. If you don't know what this is, just watch me. So that was really fun. So I'm probably going to end this video right here and right now. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you did, leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And these are the shoutouts again. And Emma playing with yourself. So goodbye.